How to level the Flashforge 6K build platform. Start by removing the tank and build platform. Gather 3 sheets of standard office paper and your 3mm hex key from the included accessory kit. Loosen all 4 leveling screws so the platform floats up and down. Use the manual tab on the touchscreen to lower the plate using the home button. Tighten screws in star pattern shown here. Raise platform to 211 and that's it. You have successfully releveled your 3D printer.